look really easy, but actually there's a lot more to it than what it looks. It's really dangerous stuff that we're doing. You gotta try this at home. Alright, so we're getting ready to drop this pine tree right here. So if you notice, whenever I'm cutting these big trees down, I'll always run my rope up to the top of the tree and up over it, and then I'll run it down the back of the tree, down the spine of the tree, and I'll tie it around the base of the tree. And the reason why I do this is because when your rope is pulling from the bottom, it's going to pull from the bottom and pull the whole tree over from the bottom of the tree. And so it gives you more leverage and it gives you more pull and it lowers the risks of things going wrong. So I always set my line on the base of the tree the most that I can. I never will put my line at the top and tie it at the top and then pull it. Number one, your tree can snap at the top. Just so many things can go wrong. So it's always just best call to always tie your rope at the bottom of the tree and up the spine. So there's a conventional notch, an open face notch, and a humboldt notch. And these are the three different notches that we use when following the direction of a tree. It helps guide the tree. And these specific notches are used in certain applications when you're following a tree. And it has a lot to do with the hinge holding the tree in place and how the tree falls whenever it peels over. Sometimes you can make it jump off of the stump in certain situations, and sometimes you can make it slide down the stump, and then sometimes you can just have the meat hold it and you can just fall the tree over real slow and almost make it stop while it's falling. And that's because of the amount of meat that you leave on the hinge while the tree is falling over. And so, and then the way that you're not, your open face or your conventional or your humboldt notch, the type of notch that you use. So, and here's what your notches look like. So I was pretty stoked with this one. I got to fire up one of my drones and chase it while it was falling. So I'll be doing a lot more of these videos. I'm excited to make these videos, and I love chasing these trees. This was so much fun. Can't wait to if you notice, we dropped the tree across the driveway first, so that way when we dropped the other tree across the driveway, we wouldn't bust up the driveway. You see, so we made the other pine tree fall on the log so we never hit the driveway. Hi, if you have a tree that you need inspected, call or text 912-428-7049 and I will reply right away with a quote. We give big discounts to seniors, our teachers, and the medical care workers, and my military. So if you call me and you're any of these things, I will help you out. I love helping the community. Baker's Tree Service has been serving the Coastal Empire for over 35 years, and we are one of the few businesses that's an A+ business at the Better Business Bureau, and we have thousands of reviews at the Georgia Chamber of Commerce and other platforms like Angie's List, Home Advisors, Facebook, and we're also 5-star business on Google platforms and other platforms alike. So we're easy to find online, and we also have a website, bakerstreeservicellc.net, and most importantly, our YouTube channel, Drone Racers Warehouse. You can see all kinds of videos that I make, and I can't make all these videos without your guys' support. So when you like my videos and you share my videos, it helps me a lot. And I really want to thank you guys for watching. And if you need a tree, you know who to call. 912-428-7049. I'll reply immediately if you text me. Have a nice day.